This GalcoTV How To will show you the simple 5-step process for a wire assembly with a single screw MJ500 MP500 series E-Type S miniature jack and plug thermocouple connector. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a wire stripper. It should be noted that the same steps apply for both MJ500 and MP500 as they have a universal cap design used for both connectors. First, you will need to strip off 1/2 inch of the outer wire jacket to leave both the positive and negative wires exposed. If the wires are already without a wire jacket, you will only need to strip off 5/16 inch. The second step involves you taking your Phillips head screwdriver to loosen, and then the third step is simply removing the cap screw and placing it off to the side. Now you have an open connector. You should see 2 grooved wire grips on the top left and top right of the connector with a minus symbol for the negative wire and a plus symbol for the positive wire. Towards the bottom, you will see a pink-colored built-in grommet. This leads to the 4th step, inserting the wire. For this, you will stretch out the exposed wire in a V shape. This helps prevent the wire from pushing itself out of the connector. You will then insert the wire through the guided holes above the grommet. Make sure that the wire is properly in place through the guide holes, and you are almost ready to move on to the 5th and final step of screwing the cap back onto your connector. After you check to make sure that you have the correct polarity for your application, you can grab the cap and screw you placed off to the side, place it back on top, and screw it back into place. And just like that, you've wired your MJ500 and MP500 Temprel E-Type single screw miniature jack and plug thermocouple connector. For more how-tos, like and subscribe to GalcoTV so you can have access to our full library of how-to videos and be notified when new videos are posted every week.